back, guys. So here we have a new grill from Monument. This is the Eminence 425 grill. Let's have a quick look at it. So this is their new lineup. This is heavy duty made. This is a 3-color knob, which is one of Monument's grills signature on their grills. They also have a side infrared burner that comes with this. 4 high performance blaze flame tamer. Also, they have some accessories that you guys can get on their site, like these tongs and spatula that has the Monument Grills logo on them. Also this smoke box, smoke tube that you guys can get too if you want to add some smoke on your meat. Or what I always suggest is getting a cover for it to help it stay clean from all the dust and the rain and all that good stuff. So make sure you check out all those accessories when you guys get in one of these. This also has a 10-year warranty, so they don't mess around. They do build really good grills. You cannot go wrong with one of these Monument grills. They last a long time. Now I got, and this is what I want, was this black color, which is very nice. I'm gonna be doing some carne asada tortas on this on the next video. There'll be a little preview of that, and so make sure you guys check them out. There's a link in the description for you guys to check them out. Especially this bad boy. This is the Eminence 425. This is their new 2025 lineup of grills. That being said, I will see you guys next time.